अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। Welcome to lesson number 17 of our study of advanced Nahu and structures. Let's continue with our Afar Nakisa. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn about Amsa, one of the sisters of Kana wa Akhwatuha. So, just like Adha, Amsa is a fail nakis that gives us information about the time something had happened. So, we have learned that Afar Nakisa, when enter into a Jumla Ismiya, it is going to change its Mubtada, like they change the Mubtada and the Khabar into the uh, here the isim and the khabar of that of al naqsa that we have used. So we have been learning about like we have learned most of the of al naqsa now, alhamdulillah. So amsa has been not been used in the Quran, but meme seen wow. This rule letter has been used, like we have seen in the example tumsuna and tusbihuna, where it is used as a fail dam. So just like kana and it's like adha is it is fair and akis, and it tells that something has happened, but that something is happening in the evening. So but grammatically we can say it functions just like kana. So what does Amsa mean? Like literally, we can say Amsa, he entered the evening, and in grammar, it is used to express the state or condition of the subject in the evening, and it defines its isim with the khabar in the evening. We know that it is not complete without its khabar because it is one of the faili nakis, afalim nakis. So it is like apparent from it's like here, the root letters mean seen wow. We can see that it is like we can guess that it is to show that something is happening or related to evening or the night. So just like Adha is related to the daytime, Amsa is related to the evening or the night. So it like we can say like Amsa, just like all the sisters of Kana, it just change the subject, or you can say the mubtada into isim amsa, and also gives like you can say the nasab state to its khabar, and it will be called as khabar amsa. So inshallah we are going to look at the examples now, and let's see how it works. And as I mentioned, that it almost it's just similar to Kana and its other sisters. So first example, Amsa al jawu baridan. Translation, you can see that the weather became cold in the evening. So here we can see that Amsa is became in the evening because it's showing that it is the past tense and it is very nakis, and also it tells us about that something has happened in the evening. So this is our فعل ناقص. Then we have the jawu, the weather. This is our, because it is more from the state, so it will be a khabar. It is our isim of amsa, because we know that for فعل ناقص we do not have a file. Then baridan, it is in the state of nasab, so we know that it is our khabar amsa. So here it is amsa and jawu and baridan. The weather became cold in the evening. You can see that I have changed this whole sentence into like using aspaha. Like you can see that now fil masai, here we have used this as jar or majroor, like telling that something has happened in the evening. Asbaha al jawu baridan fil masai. So here the weather became cold in the evening. So we these both sentences mean the same thing, but we have a separate word, like if something has happened in the evening, and we can use amsa. But we have other choice as well. We can use aspaha as well, like something has happened. Aspaha al jawu baridan. Like here you can see the weather become cold, but it doesn't show that it became cold in the evening. So we add this Java major fragment fil masai. and that shows that the weather became cold in the evening. But if you're using amsa, we do not need to write down in the evening because it's already understood from the word amsa that the weather became cold in the evening, and you do not need to say it in the Arabic language because it's understood that it means something has happened in the evening. So you can see the Arab now. Amsa is فعل ماضي ناقص. الجو is اسم أمسى and it's مرفوع وعلامة رفعه الضمة الظاهرة على آخره. And then we have باردا is خبر أمسى and it's منصوب وعلامة نسبه فتحة. فتحة على آخره. You can say فتحة الظاهرة على آخره باردا. So this is about the Arab, how we use amsa in the sentence. We have the fi'l madi naqis, we have the ism amsa, and we have the khabar amsa. And there are two ways to write this sentence as well. We can also use asbaha, but we need to add the detail here, the jar majur or mutalik bil khabar to its sentence when we are using the asbaha. Then the next sentence, Amsa at-talibu mut'aban. So again, we have the next sentence, Amsa at-talibu mut'aban means the student became tired in the evening. Again, Amsa is showing that something has happened in the evening. So the talib became tired in the evening, maybe because lots of work or lots of homework that he got. So he became tired in the evening. So here's a breakdown. Amsa is a fair it's Madi and it means became, like something became in the evening. Then we have a talibu. It's a اسم ممسى and it's مرفوع وعلامة رفعه الضمة على آخره. You can see here and also you can add الضمة الظاهرة على آخره. Then we have متبن and متبن is a خبر أمسى and that's منصوب and منصوب الفتحة الظاهرة على آخره. So this is the Arab, and this means the student became tired in the evening. Also, you can use asbaha, and you can change the whole sentence using that one as well. Fil masai, like you can say asbaha talibu mutaban fil masai. So there are two ways to write as well. This sentence as well. Then we have again because also this need to be matched with because this is not the jamid fail. It has its variation. So for the girl, you are going to use the here version of this. So amsadil, and you know that here because of the two sukuns meeting, amsat that and al fatatu. So here we can see that it's ittikal sakanin is happening. So that is why the first fail is going to get a kasra. Amsatil fatatu sa'idatan. So the girl became happy in the evening again because of amsat. We know that something has happened in the evening, and the girl became happy in the evening. Maybe she got some good news, maybe she got her good results or something, but something made her happy in the evening. So Amsatu became means became, and it's the feminine form of Amsa. The girl is Isim Amsa, and Saidatan is Khabar Amsa. So the Arab is Faili Madi Naqis Mabni al Fath. And it's this ta is ta means it is showing for the Hiya version or the feminine version. Then we have the Fatatu Isim Amsa and it's Marfu, here you can see بالضمة وعلامة رفيع الضمة على الظاهرة على آخره. Then we have سيدة, it's خبر أمسى and it's منصوب بالفتحة again سيدة. Here we can see. So that's a very nice example as well. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we are again done with أمسى. And we know that now we learn that how it works just like Ghana and Ghana wa akhwatuha. We have the examples now. And so next time you hear Amsa in the sentence, remember that it's not just about the evening. It's a grammatical tool that tells us about something, someone's state or condition during that time. So just like Kana is just the general past, like Asbaha tells us something has happened in the morning. Adha, like something has become became in the afternoon time, forenoon, and Zalla, like during the day. And then we are inshallah we are going to learn about the Bata. That means or overnight, like during night. So Amsa tells us something about evening. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we are done with Amsa now. Inshallah, I'm going to see you with the next one, the next kana wa and that is, I think, bata. So, barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.